Welcome to DE Asset Management Quarterly Report. This is the second quarter report for 2018. First, we report on the global markets. Our focus will be on the crypto industry. Then we'll have a report on our corporation. And we also have a very big announcement at our corporation this quarter. So, if we look at if we look at a report on the markets, we have had the crypto industry been doing very good for the first 6 months of the quarter here in 2018. We've had a total of 434 ICOs raise some 9,894,100,000 this year. So again, that's $9 billion, and that was via ICO offerings. So that is a historic feat. So which shows that the crypto industry is only growing bigger as we go on. So, contrary to what you might hear in the media, as the media try to downplay how big the crypto industry is, the crypto industry is constantly growing. So, a very good facet of that is actually in the Maltese. We had the Maltese Parliament yesterday voted and approved 3 cryptocurrency and blockchain bills, which will make Malta one of the most desirable locations in blockchain space. So more and more we have seen a number of countries and cities internationally have been vying to become the best locations to do blockchain. So the Maltese is one of them. We have Singapore, Korea itself, Japan, we know is pretty big with it too as well. So Canada here, so I'm in Canada, and Canada has been very good too. With the crypto industry. So what we have had today, if we're looking at the markets today, we have BTC trading at $6,143.01. We have Ethereum trading at $434.96. We have Bitcoin Cash trading at $711.56. We have EOS trading at $8.14, and Litecoin at $80.53. So now, when we look at our corporate report for the second quarter, what we see is that we have now invested in 12 ICOs internationally. So these ICOs are Infobean, Fuel the App, Ellipsis Investments, Uberstate, Payman, Valorium Foundation, Hada D Bank, Kakushan, Ingot Coin, OnLive, Hands, and Travelic. So we are very proud of what we have accomplished in this very short time since August of last year, and even more proud of how much we have helped these companies raise. So we have helped these companies raise some $5,403,246 US. Right, so more than $5 million we have helped them raise so far this year. So we are very proud of that. We also have a very big announcement, as we said before. So the announcement is that the overview, we have a product overview that is now available. So in that product overview, you'd see that we have two funds and another product called the DE Blockchain Portfolio. So now this would be launched in September 12th or September 17th, 2018, so in the fall. And but the overview is now available. So for investors wanting to have a look at that overview and to make commitments, we now be accepting commitments as well. So because remember, these funds, you've discussed them in a bit, and I go into a little bit of what our target that we'll be looking to reach in the funds and the portfolio. But a lot of them would be closed and capped at a certain point. So you would want to get in right now in order to really secure yourself a part of these investments. So the first one we have is the DE Blockchain Portfolio. So this would be a Canadian domestic investment pool, which will attract. So this is going to be for investors internationally, and the return on investment that we are looking for is a 4 times investors' capital. Okay. The second product we have is a fund. We have the DE Passive Fund. So for ones who have been tracking our company, looking at what we've been doing over the years, you would know that we have been developing, working on our own proprietary algorithmic trading system. We've been doing that for years, and we one in our company that's been really working on it. Who's responsible for that is Mr. Shlomo Tivulov, and so that product is now available and ready for trading, and so that will be the product that will be used for this for the DE Passive Fund, and the target for that fund would be $50 million, and it's very important to know that that will be a cryptocurrency and an ICO fund. So in other words, it will only be products on an exchange that could be invested in this fund, right? So so the ICOs that are trading publicly, and cryptocurrencies, and selected amount of cryptocurrencies that will be traded and we'll be investing in this fund. Okay, so the third fund is the DE ICO fund, and that's a venture fund investing in 12 ICOs. So this is a traditional venture capital fund, and we'll be investing in the 12 ICOs that we spoke about, that we have partnered with, and the target we'd be looking at for this fund would be $10 million, and the ROI, or the return on investment, would be 5 times investors' capital. So this would be a very aggressive venture fund, and we would ask investors wanting to join this fund, want to get into this fund, wanted to take advantage of this fund, to do so right away, because as you see, it's a $10 million cap. Once that cap is met, even if it's before launch date of September 17th, we will be capping the fund at that point. Okay, so that's just a snapshot of the 3 products that we'd be offering this year in 2018. So it's very exciting news. We are pretty excited about it. We have been working on it now for a number of years. So it's very important to know too about all our products. The investments could be made in US dollars or cryptocurrency. And we will also be giving $1 million of our own assets, or of our own corporate company assets, crypto assets, and put it into these 3 products. All right? So very good to know. So again, thank you very much for following our company and all our stakeholders that have been with us over the years since 2010. We thank you. This has been the DE second quarter report. This is Daryl Emmanuel. Thank you very much.